This is a Magnavox Micromatic record player made by Collaro. It's a 600 series, a 607 to be exact. And I've cleaned it all up and gone through all the moving parts and degreased them, relubricated them, and that includes the motor bearing, and repacked the platter bearing as well. No damage anywhere on it, no bad scratches, very clean. And the platter mat though is missing two of these little silver decorations, but that's about the only defect on the whole thing, and it works great. And the end of play feature works just fine. And I've tested out the included 45 RPM adapter. This Micromatic changer is out of a fold-down portable unit. It has the shorter control stalk on it. And this is just for the changer itself. No base will be included. Ready to drop into your unit.